In this video, I will demonstrate how to resolve the issue of the target framework not being installed. As you can observe, I encounter this error because the project I am presently targeting is .NET Framework 4.5.2. Therefore, it prompts me to either upgrade the project or download the current target .NET Framework. So it's better to download the targeting framework instead of upgrading. So click on Download option and then click on Continue. Then it will automatically open the download page if you are in Chrome, and if you are in Firefox then you will find this download page. Just scroll down and select the desired .NET framework your project is targeting. In my case it is 4.5.2, so it should be inside out of support version section as shown here. Then click on Download Pack next to your target framework. After downloading, just install that developer pack version of .NET Framework. Just go and install that developer pack version. Next click on I agree checkbox and then click on Install button. Installation of developer pack is completed. Now go and open that same project and you will find all your dependencies and project will get loaded successfully. In this way we solved your target framework issue in Visual Studio. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.